Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So maybe the price is going to drop till here, till that level here. And I want to show you something else here. If you see where is the market starts from here and it retraces here. So if you bring in like that, the trend line from here and you draw it like that, and like that, my friend. So even that one is showing there is a retracement going to happen here at that level. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also we put in a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. As you see, my friend, the daily candle, what it did here, the price, it came upward till here, till that zone. Sorry, let me show it to you. Till here. So that zone being broken here, my friend, it's acting now like a resistance because as support when it's being broken, it's acting like a resistance. And that's what's happening here. So you see the price, it tried to break it up. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, the price last night, it came down till here. Then he went up, then the other candle, it opened here. It tried to push up. The price came till that zone here. But as I told you, that zone now, it's acting like a support. So they try not to push it down. So we're going to see if that candle going to give us a doji or a pin bar pushing down. So that's when also we are going to go tail down here. So my friend, my view to that one, we are going to go to that one here. Or maybe from now there is a going up till here to touch that upper trend line. Then after that it's going to drop again, my friend. And as you see, my friend, here, over here, that one, that blue one is 50 moving average. The simple one, as every time also we use it. So maybe the price is going to drop till here, till that level here. And I want to show you something else here. If you see where is the market starts from here and it retraces here. So if you bring in like that, the trend line from here and you draw it like that, and like that, my friend. So even that one is showing there is a retracement going to happen here at that level. But that one is just a small trend line. The bigger trend line is that one here, and also yesterday we make our calculation, we said it's going to drop till here, till 19,462. It's very simple calculation we make it, my friend. We just came here, that rising wedge we used to have. When it's got and broke, we calculate it like that, and at the size here. But we are not sure yet. We need to wait on what the market going to give us, and that way me every time I update you, I put for you videos like that, my friend. Me, I'm talking about investors. I'm not talking here about day trader or scalper. Day traders and scalpers, we give them signals in 30 minutes. Everything is too clear, my friend. So now what our view? Our view, that one is going to drop till here, where is that 50. Then after that, it's going to make a correction or another thing. From here, it's going to go upward to touch the lower of that rising wedge. Then after that, maybe it's going to drop. But as I tell it to you before, it needs to break for you that level here. If it doesn't, you need to be aware of that one, my friend. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they're telling us for the picture to be more clear to us, my friend. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's showing here a rejection. And that's what I told you yesterday. That one in the chart is just a fake breakout. Because here, as you see it, my friend, it's still valid. And that one is a trend. We've been following from the start. So maybe that one is just going to came to touch it here. Then after that, it's going to drop upward. But till now, that long-term trend, that one, as we've been following it here, is still stronger, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So for you to be sure there is a long trend is going to come, It's need the one that indicator of us to came upward like that and to break for us the last high, my friend, and the candle to close above it like that. Everything is too clear, my friend. By the way, also we put in everyday videos, so the only things you need to do, my friend, just to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. And I want you to disaster the like button, my friend. I want that video to reach to 100 like, my friend. If you watching us, please support us, like the video, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So as you see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend. Let's see the other one, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, my friend, as you see it, also still here in the middle, like I showed it to you before, still here in the middle. So our view is going to go up until it touching here, the overbought area, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. And the one here, my friend, that's another extra thing here. If you remember what did I told you about that fair and greed index, I told you got from here, from the level of between 20 till 5, like that, a level here. And you got a level here between 55 or 60 till 45, like that. It's need the market to break it, my friend. And as you see, my friend, when it came here, it touched it. Look where we are now. We are at 30 now. The fair and greed index also we're talking about. And when it's reaching here to the max, my friend, as you see it, that the last lower peak, when we reach to 17K, my friend. So now what our view, my friend, there is one of two, maybe from that 30, it will go in upward again and breaking for us that level between 45 and 60. Atman, we are going to go till 80, my friend. And when you reach to 80, my friend, you need to sell. You don't need to stay in the market. Remember my word. You don't need to stay in the market, my friend. When you reach to 80, you sell and you using trailing stops or something. But till now, also we still in the middle. I think everything is too clear, my friend. That just extra fundamental analysis, my friend. So let's go back to the chart to explain to you more, my friend. Here we are in the chart, my friend. So now let's go into 4 hours to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, my friend, in the 4 hours. And in the 4 hours, there is something here. It's not in the daily or weekly or something. Here, what you see here, that blue one here, is the 200 moving average, my friend. The simple one, also we use in every time. As you see it, my friend, when the price break it here, in that zone, it came to it, then it retrace upward. And now we are in it, my friend. As you see it in front of you, my friend. That way me I said, and I tell it to you in the previous videos, I told you, if it drop, it's going to drop just till that zone here. Then it make a range in here 1 day or 2 days. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. Till here maybe. Till now, also we are here in a downtrend, my friend, as you see it. Like that. Also, we are in a downtrend here, or a channel, or name it whatever you want. Also, we are in it, my friend. And another thing, my friend, if you see it here, you can draw here a trend line like that, and like that. So now it might down, it will go in upward like that to here. Then after that, it will dropping down, my friend, because you can even make a channel here like that. Because even you can make a channel here like that, my friend, to know where it will go in the future. So maybe it will drop until here. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. But that's not a good scenario, as we don't want it. Maybe be honest with you. Now, as you see, my friend, you can draw now a trend line from here, as I tell it to you before, from here, and you go in upward like that, my friend. That the new trend as we have, as you see it. It started from here, from that zone, here, and here. So that trend line, it's been very stronger trend line. It been touched 4 times, my friend. So let's see now if it's going to break it or not. And that one, it came with next to it, as you see it, my friend, the 200 moving average. So let's go to see what's going to market to do, my friend. And another thing I show you here, also we got a trend line. So there is no entry unless if it's breaking for you that upper trend line. Everything is too clear, my friend. And here another thing, my friend, it's very important. As you see it, my friend, here in the volume, I showed it to you before and I will show it to you now. The volume here, it's still giving us a divergence. We are not sure yet, my friend. So maybe that one, it will go down and touch only the 200 moving average or that zone here, because that zone here and the trend, they are together. Then after that, it will go in upward again, my friend. Everything is too clear? So let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, our indicator, where we are, is still here in that zone. So we haven't touched the oversold area. That way, me I told you is going to drop a little bit to touch the trend line again. And that one is going to be at the oversold area. Then after that, we're going upward, my friend, to the overbought area, my friend. When it's going to be exactly, you can join us here or in Twitter, where we give you free signals there. Twitter of us, you're going to find it there, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, if you see here, exactly in that zone here, where I'm doing here, me, what you got there, my friend, the price is give you there a head and shoulder, my friend. The line of the neck is here. It hasn't been broken yet. So when it's going to be broken, you calculate it from here to here and you bring it like that. So it's going to go to touch for you the upper of that channel of us, or to touch here the 200 moving average, that one. Then after that, it's going to drop. So everything in front of you, my friend. But also here we are in a downtrend, my friend. You need to be aware of it. Extending that channel of us like that. As you see it, my friend. Also, we are now in a downtrend. So that one, it will go in only here to touch the upper of the channel here. Then after that, it's going to drop again, my friend. So if you enter from here last night, you are not losing. Let's make it like that. It going upward till here, you being in profit. But till now, when it touching here the 200 moving average, you take the profit, my friend. That if I don't put a video, but me, I'm going to update you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, our indicator, my friend, as you see it, we used to be here at the oversold area. Now it go out from it. Now we need to wait it when it's going to touch here the overbought area. That's the right time for you to take the profit, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. Bye for now.